to do the back of the neck, then you're going to use the spiky roller. Usually a foam roller is not going to be, it's going to be too big to get into the neck, but because this thing has all these spikes in it, then you're going to be able to get in and grab onto the tissue of the neck and pull it away from the spine. So the way that you'll do it is to come down to the floor so you can see. There we go. I'm going to start off on my side. I'm going to be facing away from you so you can see what happens with the roller. I'm going to stand the roller up, back myself up to the roller, and then as soon as I'm touching it, then I start to roll onto it. So you can see it now starts to come down on an angle, and gradually just putting some pressure in. Obviously you're letting your tissue sink into it, taking some breaths, and then putting a little bit of pressure on the same side hand, and just keep on breathing. You don't want to pull too hard on the foam roller, because that'll just slip over the surface. You want to keep that that sunk in sensation. Breathing and letting the tissue pull away from the cervical spine or cervical spine, depending on which kind of area of the world you're in. And then it should start to tease off quite nicely. If you want to put more pressure on, you can roll further onto the foam roller. You don't want to put so much pressure on that, like especially when you get to the outside of the neck here, the lateral processes. You don't want to put so much pressure on that those things get tender, because they can react. They can have a lot of stuck stuff as well. And down it goes.